Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set alarm for tomorrow on Samsung. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the clock app on your Samsung phone. Then you should see alarm, go ahead and click on that. Click on the plus button at the top right as selected. Now go ahead and set your alarm for tomorrow. So let's say you want the alarm to beep you at exactly 6 a.m. Set this to 6 a.m. If it is 7, set it to 7. And now go ahead and select the date for tomorrow. So if you click on that, you should say the date and then select the date for tomorrow. Then click on done and give this alarm a name. Maybe you can just set this to tomorrow alarm. And then after that, I'll just go ahead and click on the save button. Now, if you want the alarm to repeat itself every day for that particular day, just select the day here and it's going to wake you up at exact that time every week. But to set for exactly tomorrow, just click on the calendar icon and select tomorrow's date. After that, click on save. Then you should say your alarm is set for a particular time, and after that, this alarm is going to expire and then you are good. So that's exactly how to set an alarm for tomorrow on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.